guys, Professor Zohan here, Animals MMA. I'm gonna go over a modified Peruvian. So, my first step to this is a grip on the chin. I get the fatty part of my hand right underneath the gobbler. I set my shoulder right over the spine. Second hand, reach up to the sky with this hand. Grips right over here. The modification to the Peruvian, because I have short legs, short arms, so I have to make this easier on myself as I step up with my right leg, which is the hand that's going underneath, drive through. So I have an angle now to step over the head and towards the armpit. Here, from here, I straighten my arms, pull up, sit. I'm not trapping my foot. It's on the side so I can lean, where this head is under my thigh, over the hip, pinch, for the finish. Once again, I get the grip on the chin, kind of rest my shoulder right on the center line. Spine, grip. I don't have to grab so heavy. I just want to like lean my weight on him. My right foot goes up and it drives under his belly. I lean, pulling up a little bit, step over the head, trapping the arm, sit, come over, pinch, extend. A little more fluid. There you go, modified Peruvian.